Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the brand new 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom in Nardo Grey. And let me tell you, this is not just a car, it's a moving piece of art, a statement of power, prestige, and absolute luxury. When you first see it in Nardo Grey, it doesn't just catch your eye, it demands your attention. The sleek, minimal paint tone gives the Phantom a futuristic yet timeless look. This is where modern style meets classic Rolls-Royce elegance. Up front, you're greeted with that iconic Pantheon grille, sharper LED headlights, and of course, the spirit of ecstasy gliding proudly at the center. Every detail screams authority and sophistication. And yes, the wheels now come with the signature self-leveling Rolls-Royce logo, always upright no matter how fast you move. Step to the side, and you can't help but admire the long, commanding silhouette. Smooth lines, a floating roof design, and doors that open like an invitation to a private world of luxury. And the rear, sleek, powerful, and unmistakably Phantom. But let's talk about where Rolls-Royce really flexes its magic: the interior. Open the doors, and you're welcomed into a sanctuary of handcrafted excellence. Napa leather, bespoke wood veneers, starlight headliner, and an all-new digital dashboard that blends cutting-edge tech with old-school elegance. This isn't just sitting in a car, it's experiencing a lifestyle. Under the hood, the Phantom doesn't compromise either. Powered by a refined V12 engine, it delivers unmatched smoothness and effortless acceleration. It's not about speed, it's about arriving with presence, making every ride feel like a royal experience. So, is the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom in Nardo Grey the most stunning luxury sedan ever? Honestly, it just might be. From its commanding looks to its unmatched comfort, it's more than a car. It's perfection on wheels. If you enjoyed this look at the new Phantom, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you choose this over a Bentley or a Maybach? I'll see you in the next video.